You know, News 9 storm trackers log more than 200,000 miles a year, covering rain and snow to tornadoes and wildfires.
So don't you know, the rides really take a beating while they keep us safe as well. Val and Amy Castor, in fact, have gone through 10 trucks, but now they have the biggest and toughest yet.
Equipment is vital. You got to have the right equipment to do the right job. We do invest a lot in our trucks. We put it through the ringer, probably more than what it's designed to be put through. We're trying to keep our viewers safe.
It's so neat how many Oklahomans have come together and helped us build this truck. I'm really excited because not only is it going to help us in our storm chasing, but it's going to keep us safe too.
It's the same truck we had before. Okay, and what we've done is we've done some upgrades to it. Longevity is what we're thinking about, something that'll hold up to the abuse that we're going to put it under. Front end, the axle, all the steering components up front. The suspension up front is brand new. The suspension and the shocks in the rear is brand new. It's heavier, it's got larger tires on it, which is better traction that we're gonna have in the snow also, and also in the mud.
When we get off on dirt roads like this one that we're on right now, I mean, it's so nice to have a truck that where you know you're gonna get through it and be able to continue on safely.
The diesel motor has plenty of power.
When we have a suspension that's softer and, you know, the video quality is better, I don't feel like we're bouncing all over the place. The anemometer is fantastic.
That's new for this year, and it can go up and down. We can raise it or lower it when we need to.
To monitor the wind speeds and to have a reading is really going to be great.
Now we're going to be able to tell, you know, when there's a squall line bearing down in Oklahoma City, to know whether it has 60-mile-an-hour winds or 90-mile-an-hour winds, and that's pretty important for people's safety.
I do feel like I'm in a monster truck, yes, but it feels very safe.
We put a lot into that truck, and so we're going to try to make this one last.
Wow.